Friends, Asur web series surprised us by mixing mythology with current-based crime and beliefs of a crazy person. Rangrok does a similar thing by mixing the current issues and mythology. तो मैं बताता हूँ how Rangrok and Asur web series किस dimension पे similar है. मगर पहले please consider subscribing my channel. People who are seeing my video for the first time, please consider subscribing और review से ऊपर की चर्चा को आप खूब enjoy करेंगे. चर्चा आपको किसी और review में नहीं मिलने वाली है, इसकी 100% गारंटी है. So please hit the subscription button and the bell icon. यार थॉर किसको पसंद नहीं है? थॉर रैग्नारोक वाज अ स्मैश हिट. बाय द वे, पीपल हु डोंट नो व्हाट रैग्नारोक मींस, इट मींस द फेट ऑफ गॉड इन द नॉर्स माइथोलॉजी. मुझे माइथोलॉजी, साइंस, फैंटेसी और सुपर हीरो की वो एक सीरीज मिल जाए तो मैं थोड़ा सा क्रेजी हो जाता हूँ उसके बारे में, तो मुझे वो देखनी ही है. बहरहाल, एज पर द नॉर्स वाइकिंग माइथोलॉजी, रैग्नारोक इज एन अल्टीमेट फाइट बिटवीन द गॉड्स लाइक ओडिन, थॉर, लोकी with the great giants. This is where the earth is almost rebooted. The fight between the god and the giants are thus age-old and used in this series as a reference point. In this series, they have connected the current issue of climate change and the rise of a god to fight the evil very beautifully and seamlessly. So what do we know from the trailer? Trailer से हमें क्या पता चलता है? A small town in Norway is experiencing a warm winter and a heavy downpour seems to be heading towards another Ragnarok. Unless someone really intervenes, that is what is shown in the Netflix series. This Danish drama is dubbed in English and is about another end of the world battle and a team that can stop it.
Something's happened to me. Since we came to Edda, I can do stuff I couldn't do before. It's like I've become someone else. Today I was run over by a snowplow.
It's unbelievable. There's nothing here.
And I didn't even get a bruise. Have I become invincible?
थोड़ा कैरेक्टर समझ लेते हैं so that we can connect better. Vidar and Rangjutl, business tycoon couple, and they are also the long-lived giants disguised as humans like you and me. Fjord and Sexa are their two kids studying in the college. Magne and Loratis have just moved into this new Norse town and reminds us of Thor and Loki. Magne is the hero and is introvert. Isolde is his only friend that he could make in college. Ragnarok शो की सेटअप की बात कर लेते हैं. The show is set up in a fictional Norwegian town and they've called it as Edda, which is plagued by climate change because of industrial pollution caused by the factories that are owned by the riches like the Jodl family. Guys, what you will like about this show is the introduction. Yes, the introduction itself is very engaging, and explanation of what Ragnarok is in the Norse legend. It's end of the world with natural disaster leading into a battle between the gods and the giants, and then immediately linking it to an old car driven through some mountains and a blonde teen guy in glasses, Magne, just walks in. His brother Loratis looks like an incarnated version of Loki because of his looks, pranks, naughtiness and selfishness. What you will further like is the small town setup. Everyone knows everybody. The rich enjoys a special status and power like the Jodl family. The old Norse mythology and the current issue of environmental degradation, the monopoly of corporates, the rich people and their political connection are shown in a very subtle manner, which is very relatable even in the Indian context. Characters have been given time to build. Magne is a loner, he's an introvert and hardly makes any friend. चश्मिश भी है, weird बोलते हैं लोग उसको कॉलेज में, but finally he makes a friend called Isolde in college. So this series is like a smallville of DC called Ragnarok. Superman और Thor बनने से पहले की कहानी. The slow discovery of his powers like enhanced strength, improved vision and speed keeps the interest live. आपको दिखाया जाता है कि वो 100 मीटर से तो 6 सेकंड में पार कर लेता है और एक हैमर है जो कि 1.5 किलोमीटर तक भी फेंक लेता है. Guys, I think you will also like how the adulthood and the high school life is shown. It isn't like a fancy world wherein just masti हो रही है और कोई responsibility नहीं. Students are hanging out and studying as well. They're talking about some real environmental issues as well. So it's quite real. The show becomes interesting because the enemies are also shown quite formidable. The Jodl family I'm talking about.
You don't even know what he is yet.
No, but we all know he can do things humans can't do. Therefore, he's from the old world.
What do you think I can do?
The wolves eat the lambs.
Was there anyone whom these giants were afraid of?
You have to do something yourself. Not if someone protects them. That's the only thing that will.
Can Magne, this awkward, tall, dyslexic guy, really can save the world against this formidable force?
The world. They just destroy everything. I have to expose them. Find strong evidence of everything that's happening. They're fighting monsters.
Jag blir upp vid mer. Går till golvet guðan þá. Nú rífi úr þér hjartar.
I've become a god?
I want everybody who dreams of being special to know that.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Just immerse into this fantasy world today itself. The natural beauty of Norse, the way they have shown it, it is very very calling that you might want to plan your next holiday there. और एक अच्छी खबर है, season 2 भी आने वाला है. So season 1 को अच्छे से चाट लो और फिर उसके ऊपर फिर हम चर्चा करेंगे. कमेंट जरूर डालना आपने.